Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is landslides in Nagaland along NH29. Recently, 6 people died and 4 were injured due to a series of landslides along National Highway 29 in Nagaland. Landslides occurred due to incessant rainfall, causing severe damage to the Pherima and Pagla Pahar areas in Chumoukedima district. The landslide blocked road communication between Dimapur and the capital Kohima, which serves as a lifeline for both Nagaland and Manipur. Search and rescue operations are ongoing and efforts are being made to restore the highway. Impact on NH29 and surrounding areas. Landslides and mudslides either blocked or washed away parts of NH29, disrupting travel between Dimapur and Kohima. Dimapur police issued an advisory warning people to avoid NH29 and alternative routes as these too were affected by the landslides. Panic buying of fuel and essential goods was reported in Kohima, though authorities assured that there is no shortage. Past landslide incidents in northeast India. Landslides are a recurring issue in the northeastern region of India, especially during the monsoon season. Data tabled in Parliament on July 31st indicated that 592 landslide incidents were reported in the northeast between 2017 and July 2024. Of these incidents, 196 occurred between April and July 2024, highlighting the region's vulnerability to landslides due to heavy rains and unstable terrain. Now is the time to test your knowledge. How many landslides were reported in northeast India between 2017 and July 2024? 196, 500, 592 or 450? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.